Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove background from images for free. So first of all, we're going to go to this website. You will find the link in the description below. We're going to click here and we're going to choose our picture. For example, let's take this dog for our picture. We click on the dog and press open, and we go here and press on remove background. We wait a little bit for the image to be processed. And you can see we got our image here. For you to download the image, we press on download PNG with transparent background. And you can see we have our image here without any background. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. Goodbye.